In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make simple buttons with icons in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and add a button element to your page, or select an existing button. Open the Add Elements panel and drag an image element into the button. Place it to the left or right of the button text. Upload or select an icon from your assets. An SVG icon is recommended for the best quality and scalability. Use the Style panel to adjust the icon's size, spacing, and alignment so it sits neatly beside the text. Add a small margin if needed to create balanced spacing. Preview your website to make sure the button and icon look good on all screen sizes. Then publish your website. That's how to make simple buttons with icons in Webflow. Thanks for watching.